Welcome to TECHVIFY Software, where we believe in the principles of responsible AI. In a world rapidly shaped by technology, we find ourselves facing an extraordinary opportunity, the harnessing of AI. Yeah, but with great power comes great responsibility. That's why responsible AI principles were born. Okay, and in this video, we will unpack exactly what responsible AI is and why it should matter to each and every one of us. So, let's get started. Responsible AI is the ethical and transparent development and deployment of AI technologies. It is rooted in 5 core principles: fairness, transparency, accountability, privacy, and safety. Okay, so first, fairness. This principle ensures that AI systems are free of bias and don't make decisions that result in discrimination. It involves treating all individuals or groups equally without favoritism or discrimination. For instance, is when an AI model used for hiring should not favor applicants based on their gender or ethnicity. Here are our suggestions. Step 1. Data collection and processing. Collect data from a diverse range of candidates and ensure that the data does not contain discriminatory information about gender, ethnicity, or protected characteristics. Use anonymization techniques to remove any personally identifiable information from data. And the step 2 is model development. Well, develop AI models that do not use gender, ethnicity, or other protected characteristics as feature, and you can regularly test the model for potential biases and take corrective measures before deployment. Step 3. Training and education. Well, we can provide regular training to all staff and stakeholders on AI fairness principles. Yeah, and you can include emotional intelligence training for AI developers to help them understand and address the concerns of non-technical stakeholders. Step 4. Monitoring and evaluation. Well, continually monitor the AI system after deployment to ensure it is not favoring applicants based on their gender or ethnicity. Well, and can regularly update the model to correct any biases that may emerge over time. Secondly, transparency. Transparency in AI involves designing systems in a way that opens up the black box so that humans can clearly understand how the system was developed, deployed, how and why the system arrived at any given decision. For example, in credit scoring, applicants should know how their data influenced the AI model's decision. The organization should consider and implementing a transparency acts like the proposed model fairness and transparency in Credit Scoring Act, which requires credit reporting agencies to provide detailed explanation of their methodology. Plus, clearly define that creditworthiness means in your context and disclose to the consumer. This can help consumer understand the standards to which they are being held. Third, the accountability. Accountability in AI means that the developers and operators of an AI system are responsible for considering the impact of the system and for integrating mechanisms for reporting and redress. It involves tracing decisions back to the individuals or groups who create, deployed, and manage the AI system. This can be achieved through detailed record keeping, the design processes and decision-making, as well as the regular audits or reviews. However, it's also important to note that accountability in AI is a complex issue. It involves not just the developers of the AI system, but also the users and the broader societal context in which the AI operates. Therefore, a comprehensive approach to accountability should also consider factors like the potential misuse of AI systems and also the impact of AI decisions on individuals and communities, and the legal and ethical application of AI. Fourth, privacy. Privacy is a major concern in the age of big data and AI, as these technologies often require access to the large amount of personal data. This principle involves ensuring that AI systems respect privacy rights of individuals. This includes protecting personal data and using it in a way that complies with relevant laws and regulations. For example, when an organization uses photographs as the dataset, the face of people included must be removed or blurred unless they provide consent to that organization. And the final, safety principle. Safety in AI means ensuring that AI systems operate in a way that's safe for all users and that any potential risks are minimized. This includes the physical safety of people as well as digital safety, such as protecting against cyber threats. For instance, autonomous vehicles must be strictly verified to operate safely to prevent before public to market. That might include, but not limit, use AI to simulate real-world conditions to safety test autonomous vehicle. This helps understanding how the vehicle would react to the different scenarios without putting actual lives at risk. Plus, align regulations with the advancement of AI technology. Safety can be an afterthought. It must be a fundamental consideration throughout the AI development process. And what if someone or organization does not follow the principle? How does it bad and what are the consequences? Let's explore via this case study in real life. The first case we want to mention about is the Amazon's AI recruiting tools. Well, Amazon had to abandon an AI recruiting tool because it was found to be biased against women. Yeah. The system was trained on resumes submitted to the company over a 10-year period, most of which came from men, resulting in the AI system favoring male candidates for jobs. On March 2016, Microsoft launched an AI chatbot named Tay on Twitter, and which was designed to learn it from interactions with users. However, within 24 hours, it starts to post offensive and inappropriate tweets as a result of malicious user exploiting its learning capability. This case highlights the importance of implementing safeguards and monitoring the system in AI applications. In November 2019, Apple faced a regulatory investigation after its credit card, underwritten by Goldman Sachs, was accused of offering lower credit limits to women compared to men with similar financial profiles. This firstly raised questions about the transparency and fairness of AI systems used to determine credit limits. This example happened in the healthcare sector. A study published in the journal Science found that an AI system used to predict a patient would benefit from extra medical care was less likely to recommend Black people than white people. The bias arose because the system was trained on cost data and less money was spent on Black patients who were equally sick. These cases underscore the importance of following a responsible AI principle. As you can see, Violating responsible AI principle can lead to several negative consequences. First, loss of trust. If AI systems are not transparent, fair, or reliable, it can lead to a loss in trust among users and stakeholders. Secondly, legal and regulatory risk. Non-compliance with privacy laws and regulations can result in legal actions and penalties. It also causes ethical issues. Violation can lead to ethical issues such as discrimination, bias, or unfair treatment, and plus safety concerns. If safety and ethical guidelines are not followed, AI applications in critical areas like health, transportation, and network management can lead to severe consequences. The last but not least is the reputational damage. Violation can harm an organization's reputation, affecting its customer base on the bottom line. Therefore, it's crucial for organizations to adhere to responsible AI principles to avoid these potential risks and ensure the ethical and safe use of AI. These principles laid the groundwork of ethical AI. At the end of the day, responsible AI is not just about creating advanced AI systems, but about ensuring these systems are not used ethically and responsibly. As we continue to rely on AI in our daily lives, this is crucial that we all, from AI developers to end user, understand and uphold the principle of responsible AI. Okay, so in the next video, we will show you how to implement the responsible AI strategies for actionable steps. Yes, so stay tuned for more information. Follow TECHVIFY Software and hit the like button somewhere here. And see you soon.